All right, you're welcome back and to the TAPSWAP Towns updates and tutorials. So in this short tutorial, we're going to be talking about more details about the balances on your blocks and the gems, and of course the cinema points here. Now the cinema points here can be used to pay for certain upgrades, but primarily the blocks and the shares here are used for pay for upgrades. And what do you use the gems or the diamonds for? To shorten time mainly, and to buy or engage more workers. Like here, and I can see I've engaged factory and workers and Trump online, and then this one is idle. I'm going to engage it. So now let me look for who to engage. Now let me check my karaoke. Karaoke requires Trump online to be at level 9, and let me look for Trump online. Trump online currently is at level 6. Okay, so if I want to take it to level 7, I'll just upgrade. So it's at level 6 now, so I can upgrade to level 6 now. Level 7 rather. Now I can pay 4 gems to... Now if you look at it now, it's still engaged. All right. So now what am I even doing? Let me know in ways that... Let me come to this guy. Let me upgrade to the moon. The moon can be upgraded to level 5. All right. So now, while it's at level 5, look at something I'm going to do here now. Let's go to Telegram doc. Telegram doc requires Bit Club to be at level 5. So let's go to Bit Club. Bit Club is currently at level 4. And for it to get to level 5, to the moon has to be at level 7. And for to the moon to be at level 7, okay, we can buy gems and take it to level 6. Spend 2 gems again, take it to level 7. Then now it's at level 7 right now. But guess what? Currently is you have to wait for 31 minutes. Okay. Now see what I'm gonna do now. Say to the moon. Okay, Bit Club has to be at level 5. Then for Bit Club to be at level 5, to the moon has to be at level 7. And to the moon is currently at level 7, but is still committed. They are still working. So for me to buy time, I can spend 4 gems. But you have to be careful the way you spend your gems, though, right? But let's just, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be spending gems. So I'm going to take it to level 8. Good, it's at level 8 now. So I've paid for it. I've taken it out of that realm now. So I won't. Let's go back and see here. You can see that it's no longer at work. So right now, Bit Club can be upgraded because it's now at level 7 because it's no longer committed. Okay. Oh, sorry. Bit Club. Well, okay, Bit Club rather. So Bit Club cannot be upgraded because it's not committed. Because if it were committed, it wouldn't be able to use it. Do you understand? So now you can upgrade Bit Club. So now Bit Club is at level 5 now. But guess what? If you ask a Telegram doc will tell you it's still not active yet. You can see it. So what do we do? So we still go back to Bit Club so I can speed it up. Just spend 1 gems and speed it up. Don't upgrade yet, because if I upgrade now, I can upgrade this now. You see that? But guess what? You can see that it's active now. But if I upgrade it now, look at it now. So let's go. You can see if I upgrade it, because it's committed, this one will not be able, there are no builders available. Do you understand? Because they are working on it on the next level. You can see. You get it? So if I want to speed it up again, now I need to either wait for 15 minutes rather, or I spend where's the Bit Club again? To level 7. I spend 2 gems. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to spend the gems to let you know how it works. So now that's Bit Club, now you can see it's inactive. So for me to make it active, it means I have to go and speed up to the moon. Not to the moon rather. Which one was I? bit club, right? Okay, it means I have to go and okay, it's inactive now, and it requires to the moon to get to level 11 at this point. So if you go to the moon now, to the moon is currently at level 7. You get that? But what? Let's now go back to this guy, so we can now upgrade this guy. Okay, so he's at level 2 now. So let's now let's look at this one now. Point of view is still at level 0, and it requires tramp online to be at level 2. Let's look for tramp online. Tramp online is at wait a minute. Tramp online is at level 1. Tramp online. Here is it at level 7. Level 7. Where does it require tramp online to be? Wait a minute. It requires, okay, tramp online to be at level 2. Okay, it's ready to go. Okay, it's ready to go. Right, it's ready to go, right? Okay, so we can push this up. Okay, so if we want, we can wait, because this one is just a few seconds. And I think there was one that I was supposed to just wait for 27 seconds. I spent the coin, wasted the gems, but no problem. So this one now we're going to get more gems. Okay, so we can wait for 7 seconds and then get that. So now if you go back again to workers, we have just 3 workers. So trampoline is working, factory is working, and point of view is working. So point of view will soon complete, all right, so that we can upgrade again and engage it more. So let's go level 3 now. So upgrade. Okay, so while that one is now happening, so let's go and look for another card, another one. Prosecco Fountain needs to be at level 5 for Biker Club to be at level 1. So let's look for Prosecco Fountain. And here is Prosecco Fountain. Here. No. Yes. Prosecco Fountain currently is at level 1. Where did he say it has to be? Alright, so I think it was what's it called now? Biker Club. Where's Biker Club? Biker. Yes, Biker Club. Okay, Prosecco Fountain has to be at level 5. So where is Prosecco Fountain? It's still at level 1. So let's upgrade to level 2. Okay, while we wait for a few seconds, we'll come back to it. And if it gets to where we get to, we might have to buy back the time for any of these two, Tramp Online and Factory. But let's wait for Prosecco Fountain to complete, and then we'll take it to level 2. And then while we are waiting for that, remember it is Backer Club that we want to send to level 1. So where necessary, you need to just spend your gems. So this one now, the brewery wants to get to level 1. So let's pay 3,000 and get 10 gems. Okay, so quickly we'll send it to level 2 as soon as possible. Okay, ready, go. Okay, wow, it requires Salmon to be at level 5. Let's check where Salmon is. Salmon is still at level 0. Wow, take Salmon to level 1. Let's wait for it and see whether it can go to level 2 immediately. Level 2 requires Itsukan to be at level 5. Itsukan is still at level 2. And for Itsukan, it requires Parker Club to be at level 6. So we're going to go back to check. I think that that one has completed. So we were on Parker Club. Where Parker Club? Okay. Parker Club. Prosecco Fountain. Okay, Prosecco Fountain is still at level 2. So we can upgrade again. So for us now, this time around, we need to take it to level 4. So we can buy one more time, take it to level, buy again, take it to level 5, buy again. Yes, this time around, we will not engage it so that we can, you see that, so we'll not engage it. So at that point now we can now take this guy up, biker club, you get it. So let's see if we can allow us to take it to level 2. Okay, take it to level 2. Let's wait for it to see whether I can take us to level, if we can take it to level 3. Okay, so while that is happening, let's check around. Where's the brewery? Brewery still wants salmon to get to 5. So salmon is still at 1. And salmon requires Isukan to be at 5. And Isukan requires Biker Club to be at 6. And Biker Club is currently at 2. So we can upgrade it now to 3. So Biker Club is at 3 now. Let's buy it up, buy up time there. Take it to 4. Buy up again, take it to 5. Okay, let's take it to 5 now. Yeah, Biker Club is now at 5. Let's speed up. Yes. Good. So we will Biker Club again. Hold on. We will require Biker Club, point of view to be at 10. Okay. So Biker Club, okay, it's at 5 now. So and we are going to go back to, where is Isukan? Okay. Okay, this one now. Okay, let's push this one up. Posico Fountain to 5 to level 6 now. Let's buy time and see. Yes, let's get to 7. Let's buy time again. Okay, so it requires karaoke to be at 7. So all of these are things that can now. Let's look at Isuka. Now Isuka still requires Biker Club to be at 6. So Biker Club, I think we have taken it to 6 already. Let's look for Biker Club again. It's currently at 5. So point of view has to get to 10. So let's take point of view to, wow, point of view is, wow, it's still far away. So it's not something that we could do today. So let's just see a few that we can upgrade. Let's look at the brewery. Okay, cooking club. Wow, we've not touched cooking club. So casino has to be at 6 for cooking club to go to 1. And where is the casino? Where's the casino? Tapflix. Let's upgrade Tapflix. At least there is. Okay, casino. I saw casino somewhere around here. Okay. This gold button. Gold button requires Tramp Online to be at level 5, and Tramp Online is at level 7. Tramp Online is at level 7. Wait a minute. You want Tramp Online to be at level 5. Okay, Tramp Online is at level 7. So now, remember what I was mentioning? Tell you, Tramp Online is busy at the moment. If you look at the Tramp Online is busy at the moment, so we can buy back this time. We can buy it out. Because if you look at Trampoline, it's at level 7, and this one requires to be at level 5. But Trampoline is busy. So if we go to Trampoline now, we can speed up. Just pay 2 gems and speed it up. And it will require the demon to get to 13. Wow. So let's see whether it can go now. You can see that it can go, because now we are no longer engaging it. You see, so when your workers are engaged, when you're building, there's work ongoing in your building, it can make it to be inactive because it's not available. Work is going on there. So right now we can now upgrade gold button to level 1. Okay, so let's wait for a few seconds and take it to 2 if it will permit. Okay, go. All right, it will require point of view to be at 7, and point of view currently is at 3. Okay, so I think that at this point, okay, we can take a Telegram log to level 3. That one took blocks and shares. It took blocks and shares. So we are going to. So let's quickly check. If we want to get any other one, I must have to buy. Casino has to get to level 6. Casino is still at. For Cooking Club to get to 1, Casino has to get to level 6. Casino is still at level 1. Yes, Casino at level 1. Okay, and let's see, where's to the moon? To the moon, still at 7, and it requires factory to be at 8, and currently factory is at 12, so we need to disengage factory. And if we want to disengage factory, we want to spend 26 gems, and we won't do that because we still need gems for other things. Do you understand? If you disengage factory, then level 7 will become active. Do you understand? So when you have taken any project to a certain level, and you want to, and the one that is requesting it to get to that level is still not active despite it being there, just know that probably because it's engaged, it's still engaged. All you need to do is to disengage it. Either you pay gems to disengage it and get the workers and let it be free for use, or you just wait for the time to elapse so that you can then use it. So that's how these things work. All right, so I think we'll just wrap it up here. Go ahead and like and share this video, and also take some action. Telegram doc just completed. I think we'll just see whether we can upgrade again to level 4, and then we move. We'll then wrap up the video. Okay, so I think that you've got value here. So please go ahead, like and share, and let me know in the comments what is clear and what is not clear to you, and let's us continue to build. Thank you very much, and God bless you.